Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 11. So I have baby here because she did not want to be down. So I am cooking dinner with having Odessa here. Say hi. So I'm having her here. Normally she's supposed to stick her hands here, but she likes her hands like up here. She got her elephant, she grabbed it and whatnot. And my husband comes home in like soon actually. He finishes work at 3:30. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to I'm just gonna chill with me, because we didn't go grocery shopping yet. What we have is just gonna be eggs, mashed potatoes, and rice, only because like I said, we didn't go grocery shopping. We don't go to grocery shopping till this Friday. So that is why we're eating mashed potatoes, rice, and eggs. Something simple. Last night we had rice, eggs, and grilled cheese because my husband wanted grilled cheese. I can't like see something here. So we're having grilled cheese because my husband loves cheese. So in his egg I'm gonna put cheese. Oops. He probably would want me to cook some spam too. So I'm probably gonna have to make some spam as well. So we'll see. I'm just gonna mix it. I'm not gonna actually like cook it yet, only because he comes home and takes a shower, but he takes the shower like really slow. How do I say it? It's like he takes his time showering, like, you know what I mean? Like he comes home, he takes off, he like changes his clothes, and then he goes and just sits in the toilet for like an hour or two, and then he showers. I don't know why, but he gets mad at me for taking a long time when I shower. My husband takes a really long time to take a shower. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I was gonna go check the mail, but as you can see, can't really see outside, can you? Like, that weather out there is just really bad. It's like super bad. I'll turn on this. Like, I'll like flip the camera around. Like, look at that weather. It's just like really bad. It's like super cold. It's like 20 something degrees outside. So just gonna hang around until then. You want to see where Stony is? Stony's right there, sleeping on the spare bed. So cute. Hi, Boo Boo Bear. Can you say hi? You don't want to look at the camera? Huh, Grumpy Pants? Hey. Look at the camera. Say hi. Say cheese. Cheese. Come on, we got smile. Cheese. Such a cutie pie. I don't want to put her in her mama-roo or her swing or bouncer because she's gonna cry. I would put on her show, but you know, that's like too much TV time. She had a lot of TV time today, so I don't want to like have her so good from TV time and whatnot. She had a bottle at like 1. What time is it? 1, 2, 3. She could use a bottle of 3, but not like full course everything, and she probably gets sleepy by then. So I'll give her a bottle like around 5, and then I'll feed her baby food around 6. And then like that's fine. Then she'll like go to sleep. Like her basically daily routine. And whatnot. Technically, I'll just, if I don't make this A, probably like feel like I gotta put more. I'll give him 4 eggs with cheese. So I have my grocery list. We're gonna cut down on pasta because we eat pasta like every single day, and I wouldn't say it's kind of sort of bad, you know, too much cornstarch. So I made a grocery list, and I put like rice, ground beef, mixed vegetables, orange juice because I have to take orange juice with my medicine, mixed veggies, and eggs and rice. Rice and bread are probably the only like food that we're probably gonna eat that has glucose in it, because I can't give up my rice. I'd rather give up pasta than rice. Rice is like everything. What are you trying to do? Trying to put your finger in my mouth? And then of course baby food and formula, and there's other things I probably need to get, but I don't remember. What you doing? Ow. Probably gonna have to put her in her mom room because cooking with her is not right. Yeah, I gave her pacifier. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna turn on the stove. You guys are going to, it's like Vlogmas, Vlogmas cook with me kind of thing. You gotta do what you gotta do. When you have a baby, sometimes your baby does not want to go down. So this is the only option that I could do. Just, her hands are right here, right in front of me, so she won't like touch anything. So now that I have another egg in here, I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna have to turn this way because it's hard to do with my left hand because I'm a righty. I guess you can learn how to cook in the onions. Oh, she's trying to put my face there. You don't want to put your face in this. You can't eat this just yet. Don't worry, mommy will make you eggs when you're old enough. Yeah. And then my husband loves cheese. So what I do is I take like cheese, like maybe like 2 pieces of cheese. So I think 2 pieces is good. Okay, and I tear them apart, and then I put them in the egg and like spread them because he likes cheese in his omelet. Comment down below if you guys like cheese in your omelet. My husband loves cheese in his omelet. I don't. So that, I don't know. And then I'm gonna cook spam, but it's up there, and I can't get it with baby. So, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. She likes it when I do this. I have her secure, so. She's smiling. cheese in half. And I spread them and I let it cook. I love my babies. I think the last time I did actually cook with me, I was pregnant and dancing. Now I got a baby and dancing. But that is today's Vlogmas. Just cook with me, get ready with me, dinner, downtime thing. My husband will be for a while, so. But yeah, but I'm sorry, this Vlogmas today is kind of short. I'm Vlogmas Day 11. I don't really do much on Vlogmas. Like I said, I can't go out because one, I don't drive, and two, it's kind of cold out for a baby tonight to go out. And I do the same routine every single day. So, other than that, yeah. So, shoots.